day guys, and welcome to today's video. And today's video I'll be showing you how to upload and verify results on Jamb portals. Okay, your NICO or whatever WAEC results on the Jamb portal. So guys, before I proceed, I'll just if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, now first and foremost, you can't upload your O-level results online. Okay, this is how you do it. You actually head over to any Jamb CBT center or Jamb office. Now before you go there, you need to have your O-level results, you need to have your Jamb printout, your Jamb document, like your profile code, your name, every detail which you use to register for Jamb. I need to also have the sum of about 1000 naira to 2000 naira, within that range. Also, don't forget to have your O-level results, okay, which will be uploading to the Jamb portal. So after reaching there, you just have to tell them the reason you are here. You want to upload the result to the Jamb portal, you submit it to them. So now they'll take the result and they will use that from the system, they'll upload it to the Jamb portal. So guys, you might sometimes the results might not be uploaded, and or there might be errors and you won't know, like you won't be informed, and you might get home expecting that your result has been uploaded, only for time for admission to come and you see that your O-level result wasn't uploaded. So guys, this is how you check or verify if your O-level result has been uploaded. So now you need to head over to your browser, then I need to tap on e-facility. I'll leave the link, okay, the link to the Jamb, okay, to the Jamb efacility.jamb.gov.ng. I'll leave this link in the description of this video. Okay, so tap on it. So now you need to log in with your email and password. Okay, if you have not registered on this portal before, platform whatsoever, just register, tap on create an account and register. So now let me quickly log in. So after login, you have logged in. Now I prefer to actually put this Jamb site on desktop mode, because at times the screen might not be compatible, you might not be able to view everything due to it has compatibility issues. So after doing this, now what you need to do now, you need to just head over here. You need to sorry guys, you need to tap on check admission status. Then you can input your Jamb registration number, then tap on access my caps. Okay, so after doing that, now I can see I don't have a registration number, okay, if I'm not a Jamb whatsoever. So now I'll show you. After doing that, now you see this. Okay, so after you have done that, you will see after you have done that, on the right hand now an icon will appear on the top left hand side of your screen. So now just tap on it. As you can see, as you have seen this, tap on my O-level result. Okay, so after tapping on my O-level results, you will see your O-level result that has been uploaded to the Jamb portal. Okay, so guys, if you do not see this, just head over back to your CBT center or your Jamb office which you uploaded this result, and tell them this issue, and they will upload it to the portal. So guys, that's how you upload and verify O-level results to the Jamb portal. Okay, be it WAEC, NICO whatsoever, so you can gain admission. So guys, before I conclude, once again, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations by the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.